All right. We're all having fun, but let's be a little decent in our comment. Thank you.
Jujune lo sorale ne lishine hathe. Lishi ju tile hai chovelu ngalu hoi Dauraki ahai ni pakai duju koke mai Halu hoi ahai wei lishi ju lisha hai Tisani hai buju la thiu hi rakhai tue Ole shi ne hathe thao hi ni pongolai Jale re chavelo his above Kamaini sajuko dalisu pojuma Atsalem ponaju ngokai ngoi Ahai will shahai raretia jobaivu Daivani netu e havya bani vyabuge Jiho me kohini nemulo vyajudo Hisa bahana moi neveju kobula Ole shi ne hathe thao hi ni pongolai Jale re chovelo hizpa halai re Kamaini sajuko dalisu pojuma Atsaleo konyaji ngokai ngoi Kajumaru khamoi Je veju rahupai Vili joye vaju hai Chukoten eleshi Nechipao ahibu Avai vile tu hai Hamosa tolai moi Ole shi ne hathe Thao hi ni pongolai Vale re chovelo Chứ lưu hòa hay chân này amma gia đình sẽ lấy.
Oh
All right. चलो शुदे अली happy hi bo baju asa khole rolen le brother rin le me Vedaoyu Niih trile is a heaven hai latitude trasa wa चलो शुदे Miss Paiva trust शुदे is a me pass asulun ta de hai Jule All right ito we ma lo sa nu awa shoju ta bu hi DJ bu hi bu luo bu hi dancer bu hi anu chu ma sho hi ito tsulun na shoju ito no kosho bo abju declaration ali so le
Okay, so before we move on to the declaration of the results, I would like to give time to our esteemed judge, Mr. Banner Lanamai James. You can please come and take your time.
Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful day. First of all, I would like to thank God for this beautiful day. I'm sure every one of you enjoyed thoroughly. I would also like to thank the PNTM president and the PNTM executive for executing such an incredible event. Honestly, hats off to them. I think they all deserve a round of applause. Before we leave, I would just like to take a short period of time. Today, as I'm here amidst all of you, a lot of you must be thinking, each year I come for PNTMD Freshers Meet and I see this guy. You must be seeing me and you must be like, this guy again. But honestly telling you, I love coming to an event like this. Why? Because it feels like home far away from home, amidst our people sharing the same culture. It is a moment of pride for me to come up and getting a chance to speak to you all. I would just like to share a short thought, what I've been thinking. We come to Delhi with big dreams, big hopes, but oftentimes we get distracted. It's never about how much we have in life, it's about how we utilize with what we have. Many of us come from a very humble beginning, but it's not about how much resources we have. It's about our dream, our faith in our heart. Today, as you go back, you know, I want you all to thank God. Why? Because God has planned and made us uniquely. God has a plan for us all. And we only live once. In this life, if we don't achieve what God has planned for us, it is not correct. We must go home. From my side, I would like to advise you all to thank God for the things that we are about to receive in life. Many of us get discouraged by mere failures in life. But like I've said, God has a plan for each and every one of us. So I would like all of you to go home, especially the youth, and pray to God. Thank God for the plan. Thank God for all that you're about to receive in life. And I really, really wish that our community will grow in the days to come. Our community has grown immensely, let me tell you. 5, 6 years back when I was in Delhi, and now it has grown immensely, and I'm very, very proud to be part of such community. So thank you once again for giving me this time. I just wanted to come up, and thank you so much for giving me this time. I pray that the best Mr. and Miss will win, and you guys will be happy with our decision. As judges, we did our best, and I hope you all are satisfied with the result. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Lanamai James, for sharing your thoughtful insight with us. So now it's time for the declaration of the result. First, I will declare the Poumai's Got Talent results. So, do you have any guesses? Yes? We have two winners. So, to do the honor, I would like to call upon our convener, Mr. Roland Rao, to give out the second runners-up. So, the winner of PGT 2025 runners-up is, any guesses? Any guesses? Come on, guys, any guesses? Okay, so the winner of PGT 2025 runners-up is serial number 3. Serial number 3. Serial number 3. Thank you. I would also like to call our president, Mr. Rosevich Ramai, to give out the winners. So, the winner of PGT 2025, any guesses, guys? So, the winner of PGT 2025 is known by everyone here in the crowd. That person is a very famous singer among the Poumai community. She also has her own YouTube channel where she put up her songs, originals and covers, so I guess you know her. Any guesses? So the winner of PGT 2025 is serial number 4.
All right. Jumo here result declaration Ali Supu Sasule. And to do the honor, we would like to request our convener and president to this is why it's very important to choose the right person because she can correct you when you go wrong. Okay. Mr. and Miss we result and had declare so le de. Last year we miss hana hai ito Korean de bu here ano ito we Mr. hana hai la pu we va sene ha hi bu man de le thau tare savano. Okay. ito we Zewu Vedaoyu Niih we convener, Mr. Roland Trau. Mr. Roland Trau will do the honor, and for Miss, may we request our last year Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me the Miss. Okay.
So, so before I declare the result, I would like to thank all the freshers for having the courage to come and stand here in front of this big crowd and share your life experiences or anything with us. I'm very proud of you, and I also want to wish you all the very best of luck in your future endeavors. And maybe we have only two winners tonight, but for us, you're all winners because despite having so many freshers in our midst, the 12 of you, you had the courage to come and stand here. So that's a very big achievement. So everyone, let's give a big round of applause to all the freshers. Thank you. So the winner of Mr. Fresher 2025 is, any guesses, guys? The winner of Mr. Fresher 2025 is Mr. Stanhope Sizzaloo. Mr. Stanhope Sizzaloo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Mr. Fresher, Stanhope Sizzler. Okay. Mr. Sizzler, Najum Jahai Labu Puro will get a picture together with our Miss. Ju Miss and I Tonata, let's say. Any guess? Alright. Ju Miss and I Kupa Sisule there. 36 Vedaoyu 2025 PNTMD dan organization chitali Miss and I Tonu Talude Dilutze Miss Stella Leshivine, Miss Stella Leshivine, or Miss 2025 Stella Leshivine. And there she is. A round of applause, come on. And passing of the crown and the Shahs is our Miss 2024 PNTMD. Miss Kazazamoy. Fizazamoy. And that's exactly what I thought. Fiza Shode. All right. May we have our Mr. and Miss here? Yeah. And also, please, our former Miss can also join for a round of photo session for once. Yeah. And now only Mr. and Miss. One photo, please. All right. Thank you. Round of applause, please. Come on. My Taydina Savitra, congratulations to everyone. And thank you.
Okay, so there is a slight change in the program. We have DJ right after the declaration of the result, but before that, we will be having a vote of thanks. So now I give time to our Vice President, PNTMD, Mr. M. Daijo. You can please come and take your time.
Wish you trip Poumai na. Ara kaso ito supui mapo Jesus Christa trolo powe. Ito service how to run a jogutu go nia Jesus Christa ne. Jo shopiva ne a jogutu go nia silova ne pu trolo powe. had to say, ma'am, so trouble power, registry vote of thanks pala ya pajuchi, make ki kyang 15 to 16, moja 10 to 20 libua, pa vote of thanks na ha, pajuchi jashitawa, and I was to me provide, be a true, me provide all of one in the trouble power. It is a great honor and privilege for me to stand before you today. I stand here on behalf of Program Committee and PNTMD Executive, extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you who have gathered here for the 36th Vedaoyu Niih 2025. May I begin with our gracious host, Dr. Pavina Joyce, Dr. L.T. Vangam Rinya, Miss Vyasan Atialita, and Wixas Ivipo. Your exceptional hosting skills have made this event a resounding success. Distinguished Chief Guest, Sri David Lalrin Senga, IPS Special Commissioner of Police, SPUA and Spooner Delhi Police. Esteemed Guest of Honor, Sri T. Misau, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer, Delhi, and Sri Kimi Kamin, IPS Joint Commissioner of Police Traffic Operations, Delhi Police. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence and inspiring us with your words of wisdom and knowledge. We are also honored by the presence of our distinguished special invitees, such as Spooner, PNUD, PBCD, Pioneer Academy, NSUD, Tribal Unit, Densu. Your love and support with your presence means a lot to us. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the talented artist. We are grateful for the time you shared with us. Heartfelt thanks to the Zamedi, Roots and Rhymes, PBCD Choir, Prelude team, and panel of judges. Deepest thanks to the incredible magazine team for their tireless efforts and dedication in bringing this publication to life. Most importantly, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to esteemed sponsors and donors for the generous support and partnership. Your contribution have been vital to our success. My sincere thanks to seniors, advisory board, assembly affairs, former executive. Your leadership and commitment have been the cornerstone of all our achievement. Special thanks to Mr. Siwa Sapuni, Associate Pastor PBCD, Mr. Daniel Kha, General Secretary, PNTMD, Ms. Shakone Blessing Vyamai, and Reverend Zosho Dumai for blessing us with your prayers. Lastly, but not the least, I extend my deepest thanks to the volunteers, receptionists, registration team for your selfless service to our community. To all the freshers, we are thrilled to welcome you in our community. To everyone who have contributed to the program's success, thank you for your hard work and dedication. Thank you for being part of this memorable event. Your presence has made it truly special. As we conclude, may the rich culture of Poumai Naga continue to strive, upholding its values and traditions of excellence. May this 36th PNTMD Vedaoyu Niih 2025 stand a lasting inspiration, guiding future generation towards unity and a life of prosperity. Thank you all once again. God bless you all. Long live PNTMD.
All right, thank you, our Vice President, Mr. Yamdaijo. Okay, before we go to the next one, a quick announcement. Ito we put some magazine hana how hu chipya hin jo na boy registration dex only at the cost of 100. Jum jana atsi hana hai purchase supo ye request supo na boy. Jo masohi, we have one of the most anticipated, one of the most awaited. I think some of us have started waiting, since last year. Vedaoyu Niih. I want all of us to be very comfortable. I want all of us to be flexible, and also you are free to join us here for a round of DJ. Are you excited? Kolo ho shua bu ho de gwen me to. Hai chipui bu mai to will give you 10-20 seconds to come down here so that you can join in songs and dance. Executive mai to ne to jun sa so bi de we. So chu ho me to polo arrange so there. This is gonna be the last show, the last event for the day. So I want all of us to join us here. Ito we celebration so chitil hi. Ito no follow so ali dai ito we train hana hai. First 10-20 minutes ila ho 4-5 songs li hai. Comfortable try. Mana buhi phin ta ka buana. Akai til halai ne. Once more I request to hai. So I don't want all of us or anyone to go back thinking wish I could have stood earlier. You know ma. So volunteers maybe we can clear some of this table and the desk also. And then some of our friends can join us here for this DJ. Hai pia hi volunteers mai to zoom jane. Table se bu hane kle so tro pe. Ito na li mai to li sat to sana dance le so da bu de. Ito mai mte din flare hina ju an ngoe. Ito we DJ hane he tho didi. She is a seasoned DJ with a passion for crafting unforgettable musical journeys. With over 5 years of experience behind the decks, she has mastered the art of blending beats, crossing genres, and energizing dance floor around the world. Known for dynamic sets that spanned from hip hop to Bollywood to high energy club bangers, DJ Pinu is a crowd favorite, whether performing at the intimate venues or headlining major festivals such as Northeast Festival, the Green Carnival Festival, and the Northeast Fashion Festival. We have DJ Pinu here on stage now, and I want all of us to join us here as she start off with her masterpiece.